Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make bacon hot dogs. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 8 hot dogs, 8 slices of bacon, and 8 hot dog buns. Also, decide on your favorite toppings such as diced onions, relish, or shredded cheddar cheese. Preheat your grill or a large skillet to a medium heat setting, around 350 degrees Fahrenheit, to ensure even cooking. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth cooking process. Now let's get to wrapping. Take 1 hot dog and 1 slice of bacon. Starting at one end, tightly wrap the bacon around the hot dog in a spiral fashion. Make sure the bacon overlaps slightly to cover the entire hot dog. If the bacon seems loose, you can secure the ends with small wooden toothpicks, which you'll remove before serving. This step ensures a crispy, flavorful coating. It's time to cook these delicious creations. Place the bacon-wrapped hot dogs directly onto your preheated grill or skillet. Cook them for approximately 8 to 12 minutes, turning them every 2 to 3 minutes to ensure the bacon cooks evenly on all sides. You want the bacon to be golden brown and crispy, and the hot dog thoroughly heated. Maintain a medium heat to prevent burning. Almost there. Once the bacon is perfectly crispy and the hot dogs are hot, carefully remove them from the heat. If you use toothpicks, remember to remove them now. Gently place each bacon-wrapped hot dog into a fresh bun. Now comes the fun part. Load them up with your chosen toppings, whether it's ketchup, mustard, relish, or cheese. Serve immediately and enjoy your homemade bacon hot dogs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.